Hi, Group 3. Here are your words for your spelling test. Your first word is pain. I hurt my leg and felt a lot of pain. Pain. Your next word is days. There are 7 days in a week. Days. Your next word is sail. During the summer, we like to go on the sailboat. Sail. The next word is vein. The vein in my arm looked blue. Vein. Your next word is break. Miss Freeman's class took a movement break. Break. The next word is sale. We went shopping and I found a hat on sale. Sale. Your last word is a surprise word. It is made. I made a necklace after school. Made.